Time now to continue our special series, Building Bridges, an exploration of China's growing ties to Latin America. Today we focus on China's links with Argentina. The two emerging markets have enjoyed close trade ties. China is now ranked as Argentina's second largest trading partner after Brazil. Argentina is hoping to export more of its agricultural products to China's growing appetite for beef and dairy products. China is the biggest investor in the Latin American economy. High-level official visits over the past few years have boosted Chinese investments in transport, infrastructure and nuclear energy. Most recently, the two countries signed a nuclear power deal worth up to $15 billion. Well, it was once said that Argentina was once the world's breadbasket for its food production. Now the government wants to take the country to become the world's supermarket. New policies introduced in December aim to boost exports, and the farming industry is expecting a record-breaking year in 2016. CCTV's Joel Richards has this report.
Argentina, the world's third largest exporter of soybeans, is expecting a windfall, not just from its key cash crop, but also from across the agricultural sector. In one of his first announcements as Argentina president, Mauricio Macri dropped export taxes on soybeans by 5%. All export taxes on wheat, corn and beef were removed too. After many years of a conflicted relationship with the government, the sector is now poised to benefit.
In terms of our expectations, it is now a question of how imaginative we can be. It is a free economy in which we can buy and sell when we want and in the currency we want.
Producers had been stockpiling grains until after the recent elections, waiting for a reduction in export taxes as well as the removal of currency controls, which in turn led to a major devaluation of the local currency. The local tax agency estimates the value of grains stored in bags like these at over $11 billion.
These changes in policy are a signal from the government that it expects its agricultural exports to boost this country's economy.
The catchphrase in the sector is that it must no longer be the breadbasket of the world, but the supermarket, as it aims to increase production.
Recent reports published by the agricultural sector suggest that with the wind in its sails, with policies that encourage it, Argentina can produce food for 680 million people.
And here is the challenge, cashing in on crops that China, as the #1 buyer, wants, but at the same time creating jobs and wealth across the board.
China wants to buy primary products for it to process there. We want to sell more products with added value. It is a question of negotiating and reaching an agreement.
Argentina's farmers say it will take time to recover from past tax policies that have impacted production, but they hope to regain ground in grain and beef exports while anticipating a record-breaking year in 2016. Joel Richards, CCTV, Buenos Aires.